Yeah. Oh, and another one.
The bedded down one looks like it has 3 points on each side.
Oh, yeah. Hi, guys.
Dude, that's like the buck from Bambi.
There's another one to the left.
Oh yeah, that's the one we saw already.
We saw the one to the left already.
That's funny. Just laying there. What is the 3-pointer there?
Yeah.
What are you guys hanging out for? Where's all the does? Turn your head, dude. I think I want to see your 3-pointer. Either a 3 or a... Yeah, it's a 3. It's nice. Maybe even a 4. Small. The one sitting down looks like a 4.
You guys are crazy.
They're definitely used to people, because I guys are seeing them in the world.
Don't threat. Don't threat.